Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to delete your Bumble account. Now let's begin. Currently, I'm just tired of Bumble and I want to delete that. In case you want to delete your Bumble account as well, you're in the right place. At the top left, you'll see your profile picture right there. Simply click on this button right there and something like this will open up. Right here, initially, you'll be in the date profile. And right now, what we want to do is simply go to settings. Just below edit profile, here's something like settings. Just click on it and then you'll be redirected to the settings page. Simply scroll down and right there at the very bottom, you'll see something like delete account. Click on the button right there. It's gonna ask for your confirmation whether you actually want to delete or not. If you don't want to delete, you can hit on cancel right now. But right now, I want to delete my account, so let's click on delete account. It's gonna ask for a few reasons for why I want to delete my account. Select the reason of your choice. Do you note that you can add your feedback or not? It is optional, so I'm gonna skip it right now. Finally, it's gonna ask us to type a captcha right here. Once you've entered the captcha, hit on delete account. I'm gonna do it right now. And I'm gonna hit on the delete account button right here. And guys, that's it. Our Bumble account has been deleted successfully. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.